Hello guys, this is Hina from Soulful Adventures. We are here to start with our readings for tarot cards and for the month of June 2020. June is all about the Gemini season. It starts from May 21st to June 21st. Okay. Now it's all about the playfulness. It's about the go with the flow kind of energy in the month of Gemini. Because Gemini is an air sign, it's a sign of duality. It's a sign of new thoughts, new chapter, fresh start. Very good season to develop the communication, to start executing the ideas which you earlier developed in the month of May or April before. And yeah, let's see what things get unravel in the readings for all of your zodiac signs. Sign that is Libra. Now Libra is second air sign in the zodiac cycle, so it's your season, officially your season, air sign season. So let's see what Gemini season has brought to Libra. Now Libra, as you all know from my last readings, it's a charming sign, happy-go-lucky sign, diplomatic, surely very beautiful sign, and yes, attractive and very balanced. Most of the time good decision makers, but take long time to take any decision. Okay, so let's see now what are the cards for them. I'm shuffling your cards right now. I will draw some cards for you and then I will tell you what is the position and what that card means on that position. Okay, so with this I'll shuffle it really nice since it's your season of air signs. Okay, so I'll draw some cards for you guys. Okay. Right. Okay. Nice one. Okay. Okay guys, so let's see now. Okay, I hope you are able to see all the cards right now. Okay, so guys, this left hand side cards are for the past energies, the past situations you may have dealt with. These are the present four cards, what you are going through, the situations which can come up in coming weeks, while these below cards are for your future situations, future energies, what they can be. Okay guys, so with this I am starting your reading for the past energies and past situation. Libras, if I'm saying, you have the Hierophant and 8 of Cups. Okay, so let's speak about the Hierophant, the major arcana card first. It's about you were having, or in past months of May and April, it can happen that you may be getting marriage proposals and you may be having to deal, or you have dealt with some of the official situations. It can be court cases, it can be a new business proposal, something very official at your office, some kind of that situation, but something very serious, right? And very I can say concrete and constructive kind of situation you have dealt in past some weeks or months. Yes, and definitely you have 8 of Cups, so there were some money problems you were dealing with in the past months. And sometimes in life the situation comes when you know that there cannot be something that you can do, right? It's better to turn back on them and move on. Okay, you are an energy, Libra, I can tell you, which is like charming, as I said, happy-go-lucky. So you tend to ignore those, past energies and you know that it's not serving you something useful right now, so it's better to leave them in the past and move on. So you have tried to move on in the past, definitely you have 8 of Cups energy to just overlook those empty cups which is not serving you anymore. No love, no care, no respect, and just moving out of those situations. Okay, you have thought a lot. If you have, this is the moon, so when you have a moon in your card, it means that yes, you have done lots of thinking before moving on, and finally you have come to the situation nothing can be done, and it's better to ignore and move on. This kind of energy you had in the past. While you have the death, okay, so death is an energy but it's in reverse. So in the past you were really hoping for some new beginnings and endings, but somewhere or the other this thing continued for some of the months, and I can say last month you were into the situation that you need to move on now. Come on, I'm frustrated with all this kind of energy, with all this negativity and narcissism, and I really require to move on from this kind of energy. But there was new beginning, you were kind of stuck somewhere. It's that kind of energy, and you have 10 of Cups. It can happen. I'm not telling for all the Libras, but for some of the Libras it can happen. Had some of the family issues, maybe some small arguments at home, because 10 of Cups is really a good energy, but it's in reverse, so it can happen. Some of the family issues, you had a fight with your partners in last months, few weeks, or there is some small arguments with your kids, that kind of energy, right? So in the past you were dealing all this little negativity kind of thing, and finally you have decided to move. If I can say finally, as I said, you are ready to move on, right? You know that you need a rest, you need to relax right now, and it's better to rest and handle things taking your own time out. Okay guys, it can happen that you might suffer with small illnesses, nothing serious. Okay, it can be little mental stress that you were going through in the past, or it can also be a small some kind of sickness, but yes, you will overcome it, because you will take proper rest and care which you require it right now, and you know that. Okay, so you will take time out for yourself. Other than that, you have the Empress, which is a major arcana card and very beautiful card. The Empress is an energy which means fertility, it means prospering, it means stability, it means the power in your hand, the power to create something. If you can see, this lady is a pregnant lady, so yes, if someone is expecting, yes, definitely you can try for family, a new family in creation, or this is a card of a good news. Okay, other than that, Libras, it's a very fertile card. Okay, it means that you have all the resources in your hand. If you can see, she has all the resources in her hand. She is the lady, she is the queen, she is the Empress, and what else you require, Libras, right? So everything is in your hand. Create. Number 3 is for creation. Create something beautiful. Okay, it's your time. I said it's your season, so yes, you have to create something beautiful. It's like this was the all time you required. Okay, this is your time, so create now. Take time out for yourself and create something beautiful. Let that should go away in the past. Okay, it's your time now. With that, you have Ace of Cups, so lots of helping hands coming, lot of love coming. It can be your partner will support you in this creation, your family will support you if you had problems in family in past, some small arguments, fights, tensions going on. They will support. You have Ace of Cups, they are going to support you in this month. Your family, your friends, your love, your partner, your kids, yes, they are going to give you that love, that cup full of love, care, help, everything you require. You have 5 of Cups in reverse, guys. Now in present situation, by 4th week of June, it can happen that it's in reverse, that you will most probably look into your past, okay, and you will think that whatever I have lost until now, okay, you know, it's for good, right? The losses has prevailed, you know, the losses which can or could have caused me problems in coming future has been taken care of, and it's better to move on. You will know that it's better not to see into the past and move on, okay, but still you will think about the past, some situations where you have learned the lessons, and that's necessary. We look to the past when we are in present, but I would suggest don't stay in past, okay. Even your overall energy is Three of Wands that has come, okay. So Three of Wands is an energy which is overall for the month, which is telling you that be present in now. It's now, okay. Don't be more about your past energies, don't be more about your future energies, just be present in time, what's going on in your life right now, okay. Survey that thing, be at home, because it's a reverse card, it's a travel card and it's a reverse card, so yes, probably you will be at home. It's kind of thing that, you know, you need to look after yourself. Yes, your present card is like take time out, take some rest, relax. So you need to look out for yourself this month. So your total energy is like you just have to focus on yourself this month. New creation, take help from others if someone is offering, okay. And there is many things to salvage, Libras, okay. So just move on, just think of the lessons learned in the past and move on in the present. There are cards in the future. These four bottom cards are for you future situations, as I told you. Strength in reverse, the Magician, Nine of Cups and the Hanged Man. Now the Strength is a Leo card. It's a very strong card. You have to show your inner strength kind of thing, you know. It's like you are completely strong with yourself and another, but this card is in reverse. So sometime it can happen in coming future that you will require more than your current energy to deal with things incoming. You will require to, you know, show yourself that you have all that energy in your life to tame if someone is trying to frighten you, okay. If someone is trying to I mean blame you for their mistakes, you need to show your own side with this strength, okay. You need to be strong to yourself somewhere inside. You need to be more strong, okay. Don't think that you are weak, this kind of energy, okay. If someone is helping you in present times and they are demanding something which is not proper or not right, you need to make them understand in coming future that yes, I am not ready to spend so much even if you are helping me, okay. So take this advice. With that, you have the Magician, Nine of Cups and Hanged Man in strength. The Magician is a card, the first card of the major arcana. Guys, you need to manifest in this month a lot, okay. So again, Gemini card, Magician is a Gemini card, so you need to manifest a lot. What you want, be specific, be critical. For example, I want a new blue color car. Yes, this is a manifestation, these are the intentions, okay. Or I want a new 3 BHK flat, or I want a real peace of mind, or I want something beautiful for my parents, okay. This kind of manifestation, be specific, so much specific while manifesting in this one, because you have the Magician and he will put all his tools into the work to create something for you for sure in coming months, maybe July, August. Nine of Cups and the Hanged Man. So Nine of Cups, after, you know, after coming out of this situation of the past problems and all these things, you will, you know, you will somewhere feel this pleasant and, you know, really pleasing kind of thing. You will be more than happy what you had in your past months, what you are behaving in present, how you are handling the situations, and what situation will lead to you, it will be much pleasant than you think right now. Okay, if you take this advice, if you show this strength to yourself, be more confident, be more strong, and then if you can pass, if you can manifest in a good positive manner, definitely you will be in a place where you will be more pleased than before. Okay, improvements, surely there are improvements with this card. You will not know, but you must have improved a lot. Okay, the Hangman. Now Hangman, whenever Hangman comes in your card, it's all about compromises and sacrifices, but it's besides Nine of Cups. So I think, though you know that you will require to do some sacrifices, some compromises in coming future, but that will be more pleasing than what you have right now or what you had in the past. Okay, so the sacrifices will prove necessary in coming future, and they will do you good, nothing bad or nothing wrong. So it's okay if you need to sacrifice some smaller things or some, not so useful things right now, or some bad habits right now, or compromise on the things which are not more important currently. You need to do that so that your future is much more happier and peaceful. As I told you, it's Three of Wands, your overall energy. So you need to be living in present more than in your past and your future. Enjoy your season, guys. This is an air sign season. With this, we will be meeting in the next month for our July readings. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.